Howdy everyone, don't get too excited, just heading out for a quick spin. It's been ages since I've been for a ride, so I'm just going to go test, see if everything works. Catch you soon. Okay, it's been absolutely ages since I've been for a ride, so it's just a quick burn. I just want to make sure if my little lapel mic that I lost a long time ago and I just found still works. So I'm just going through a quick little hoon before the rain. Still got the 2019 Ultra Limited. It's currently end of January 30 I think it is, 29th or 30th, 2021. As you know, everyone's been through COVID and whatnot, fun and games. So I'm just going for a quick little hoon, make sure everything still works, because I'm looking at maybe pumping out some moto vlogs soon. I'd just like a way to get my boy some audio as well when he's on the back. So for those of you who don't know, it's a 2019 Ultra Limited Harley Davidson, stock standard apart from 4.5 inch Reinhardt slip-on exhausts. I've just clicked over, what am I on, 10,500 kilometres. Haven't done a lot of riding due to COVID and everything like that. And yeah, night shift's been busy, so don't really get to do any moto vlogs and stuff anymore. So there's no edit, no cut, nothing. We're just gonna do a quick little ride, see what's going on, make sure everything still works, and make sure this lapel and everything still works and the audio quality is reasonable, because I can't remember how I used to set it up, to be honest with you. So I'm not sure how bad the wind noise is there. It'd be interesting to see. Apparently I have to go get some milk too, so I'll do that. We'll go down here. See how the stability is on this GoPro. I don't think I've done 2 rides with it, so I'm not a fan of wearing the full face. Oh, bit of scrape. So yeah, and I got nowhere how to get audio when I got the open face on. So, oh, come on man, are you serious? So I've just chucked the full face back on to test everything, see if it all still works. Beautiful little speed humps, those ones. So this quad lock, if anyone's interested in get your phone on the handlebars, obviously got a quad lock case that you can see down here. If you buy the normal handlebar mount, it faces in a crappy position. So the answer to that is quad locks sell a little knuckle adapter. You buy the knuckle adapter as well, chuck it on and she's magic. But I'll do a review on that if anyone's interested. So we're in Melbourne, Australia. It's been a nice day, but now the weather is turning to shit, as you can tell. This is filming in 2.7K at 30, just to see what it's like. May need to change that and go to 60 frames. banging on the mic there to see how it reacted. Don't do it, brother. So as I said, just a quick little spin, nothing major. I'm going to go back, get some milk now. Actually, which servo will I go to? Yeah, no, I'll go back to the other one. It's amazing how much this difference this vent makes too when you're on the motorway, freeway, whatever you want to call it. It's ridiculous. A lot of people thought it was a gimmick, but I tell you, if it's closed, you get a lot of head buffeting. When she's open, straight over your head. Oh yeah, we're gonna make that. Amber means go faster. Nice little Chinese restaurant here for takeaway. I'm going to have to visit that in an hour or so. Get some food in the belly. Haven't eaten yet today. What am I, 14 hours in or something? Haven't eaten. It's alright, shit happens. Harley Roadshow, man. Your vlogs. Moto vlogs. Freaking amazing. I love it. I wish I could get that video loop app, mate, but unfortunately it doesn't do it for Android. So, yeah, man, I love your vlogs. I'm still watching them. I've been in the background hiding a little bit, but still watching them, man. We'll have to catch up and go for a ride. You let me know when you're free on a Sunday, and we'll catch up and have a coffee. Meet in St Kilda or something like that if you want, down by the beach. Grab a coffee. Probably going to end this in a minute once I've done a U-turn into the servo. Oops, no, not coppers, that's alright. Not that I was breaking the speed limit. Very responsible rider. Come on, come on, come on. Hopefully this thing's working. Alright, what are we doing? We're getting some milk. Let's get some milk. Alright everybody, I'll catch you later. I'll do a real vlog soon. Bye.